Hello dear participants, once again you are welcome in this online training program on educational video creation. In previous videos, we discussed about a lot of things. We discussed how to edit a video in different types of softwares. Dhanaji sir and Ghute sir have given you the detailed explanations about this editing process. Now friends, in this video, we have a new topic to learn. As we know that there are two types of video making. One is face videos and the other is off face videos. Now, what are face videos and what are off face videos? Let's have a brief discussion on this. First, face videos. Now you are looking at me. I am making a video before you. I am in front of camera and just I am explaining some things to you. This is called as face video, or our first video, as you watched a very basic video on this introduction to the course of online training program on educational video creation. Our first video, second video are the face videos. Later I made a video on what are the basic instruments of this video making. That video also is a face video. And in simple words, face videos are nothing but those videos in which you show your face, or these videos also called as face cams. Now we have second category. The second category is off face videos. You find there are many videos on YouTube, many educational videos in which you do not find the face or the person present, but the voice or sound is present and the person is explaining something to you with the help of other instruments. So this is called off-face videos. In simple words, off-face video is nothing but in which you do not show your face. It's a very simple kind of thing. Now friends, here in this off-face videos, you have two types. The one is tutorial making video and the other is video making through PowerPoint. And our main concern in this video or in this tutorial is how to make a video by using PowerPoint presentation. So this is the core of this video, and I am going to show you, I am going to explain you how you can make a video, a very good quality video by using PowerPoint presentation or simply PPT. Now you can make these videos in both devices, in mobile phones also and in laptop or desktop computer. So friends, here I will tell you how you can make video using PowerPoint presentation in laptop. Particularly, you also can follow the same kind of things in mobile, and in mobile also you can make this video through PowerPoint. Now what are the requirement of this kind of videos? Let's jump into the video and let's actually discuss how you can record the screen and how you can make this PowerPoint presentation video. Now friends, you can see that we have started recording the PowerPoint presentation. Now let's go on the full screen. Here we have the full screen icon. Just press it and you will be directed to the full screen. Now you see here is the icon which is there on the screen, and you can hide this icon. It's necessary to hide this icon so that your students will not be disturbed. And there is a key, Control plus Alt plus E. If you press this key, the icon will be hidden. Now I press the same key and the icon is gone. Now we are talking about off-face video making or video making by using PowerPoint presentation. Our main focus is video making by using PowerPoint presentation, and I am recording this video through the PowerPoint, as you can see obviously on the screen. Now let's move to the next slide. As you go slide by slide, all things will be recorded in this recorder. Now the very first thing you need a prepared PowerPoint lecture or lesson. Now as you are looking here, the PowerPoint presentation is already prepared and I am direct dictating you, I am direct explaining you through this PowerPoint presentation. It is the first requirement. Second requirement, we have headphone or mic. Now friends, let me tell you that it is very important, the sound quality when you make video off face, because in off face we need clear sound so that your audience, your students can understand it clearly, and they will make the sense of your speaking, your explanations. Now friends, again let me tell you that
nowadays you will not have this mic because we are locked down here in our homes, but you have headphone also will make your purpose. It will help you to record clear sound. Now the third thing, here we have screen recorder. Screen recorder is significant one, because without screen recorder you cannot record your video through PowerPoint presentation. Whatever we are doing in this video, we are recording the screen and presenting before the audience or presenting before the students. So these three things are significant. And next thing, let me tell you that there are many screen recorders available in the market. You can purchase them or have free of cost. There are free of cost screen recorders as well as the cost screen recorders, but we recommend you to use free screen recorder. And here I am also using one of the free screen recorders to record this screen to make video, office video, through PowerPoint presentation. And here I use a PowerSoft free screen recorder to record this screen, and it is free of cost. You can download it through the internet. I will put a link below in the description. Just you can go on that link, click on the link, and you will be redirected to download this free soft screen recorder. And let me tell you that this recorder is compatible with laptop or desktop computers and not with the mobile phones. Now friends, let me tell you that what is the process of recording this screen, or what is the process of making video through screen recording or through PowerPoint presentation. The process is very simple. Here we have very first thing, that you need to have a prepared comprehensive PowerPoint presentation, or we recommend you to prepare a good kind of PowerPoint presentation. This is the first thing that you have to do, prepare a comprehensive PowerPoint presentation. Second thing you have to do is to set up recording tools like mobile, laptop or desktop computer. Now this states that in what device you want to record this screen, in mobile or in laptop or into the desktop computer. So decide this and set up this recording tools. For example, set up a laptop, as I shown you in the initial, that how I set up this computer and how I let you come on this screen. The third thing in the process, you can plug the mic into mobile or laptop or desktop computer. Now this thing is significant because you have to connect microphone to your mobile or your laptop or your desktop computer. Now let me tell you a simple method that you can directly plug this mic into the laptop and shoot your video, or you can have the sound separate, the separate recording you can do in the mobile phone, and then you can sync the sound file and the recorded file at the same time. But initially I recommend you to directly plug this mic into mobile or laptop or desktop computer in whatever device you are recording this screen. And when you gain experience, you can separately plug this mic into the mobile, and separately you can record the sound, and separately you can record this screen recording or PPT. So let me tell you that directly you can start recording when you set up these devices, when you set up mic, when you set up laptop, when you start this kind of PowerPoint presentation, and directly you can start recording. The next thing, save recorded file and render into video editor. Now there is option of saving your recorded file in this PowerSoft free screen recorder. You can press Ctrl plus F10 key and your this recording will be saved. And when you find that there is some mistakes in your PowerPoint, you can render it into a video editor and edit it like a video. So if you think that there is no need of editing this recorded file, directly you can use it for your uploading. So this thing you can do. And the very last, your video is ready. When you follow this process, when you go through this process, your video will be ready and you can render this video for your students. Now let me tell you that it's so simple, you can do it better. And friends, this is what I want to share a few things with you regarding screen recording. And here you can see that this icon is blinking, means your video is recording. The recording is in the continuous mode. You see this icon and it gives you the name of this software, a PowerSoft free screen recorder. And here I pin down this software in the pin bar. So let me tell you again a second PPT, a second example or a second sample how you can record the same thing. Now here we have another PowerPoint presentation which I prepared. Actually, this lecture I have delivered in a college, and the same PPT here I have taken as a sample. Now you can see, let's go on the full screen here. We are on the full screen now. You can see that there is a lecture called Basics of English Communication, and you can put your photo here so that your students can look at you and they can understand whatever you are delivering to them. The feel of making face cam will be here if you put your photo in every slide or in a few slides. If you put your photo in every slide, it will be some monotonous kind of thing. So I recommend you to put your photo in first initial slide so that your students can understand you. Now here you can insert many things. You see here I have made a very comprehensive PowerPoint presentation. Why English or significance of English? This is the topic. Then you can explain, or you can have the things rolled in the PowerPoint presentation, and you can show them how you can explain these things. For example, here let's see Randolph Quirk and H.G. Widdowson. What they say? They say English is the language on which the sun does not set, whose users never sleep. Now you can explain this statement, or you can explain this line to your students, the significance of English, how these people think about it, the various scholars. Now again you have many things to explain. For example, you can insert images, you can insert charts, you can insert tables, and you can explain these tables, these charts, or these images to your students. For example, here we have a table and two images. In the first table you can see that I have given the percentage of the total English speaking people or communities country wise: United States, India, Pakistan. Many things you can do through this PowerPoint presentation. And friends, let me tell you that this is one of the most effective methods of teaching. Now if you go on Unacademy is a largest platform in India which teaches the education, or which have the educational videos in the flood of amount. So you see their videos, they have shot these videos only through PowerPoint presentations. Unacademy, which is a very largest platform in the country. Now you can make the same kind of videos through this PowerPoint presentation. Now here you can have many things, and you can explain these things to your students. Now you see there here is the how does a child learn language, and the situations or the conditions of language learning. Here you can explain through this method. You can have your own PowerPoints, you can have your own concepts, your own things to explain to the students, know about it. And again, let me tell you one thing, that if you have inserted in your PowerPoint a video, it video also will be captured in screen recording. For example, here I have a video, so let's click it and let's see this video. You can see that the same kind of video with this PowerPoint is recorded in this PowerPoint recording. Here our video is started, you can see here. So these kind of things you include in your PowerPoint presentation. First, make your PowerPoint an effective PowerPoint, and so that you can record it very skillfully through this screen recorder, and it will enhance the quality of learning and teaching. So friends, I think it is enough to understand how we can record, or how we can capture the screen and have a very good quality of video recording, of face video recording. So here you can see again the uh, icon of this powers of free screen recording is blinking, means still this recording is continuing. And now let's save this recording. You can press Ctrl plus F10 and your video will be recorded. Your PowerPoint video will be ready to render and ready to upload if there is not the corrections in your explanations or in your recording. So now I will press Control plus F10 keys, and this video will be recorded.
Here, your project is saving 9%, 13, 31, and in a few seconds your project will be saved. Now participants, you watched how to make a video by using PowerPoint presentation, and this is a very simple method as you saw or you observed. Now just remember a few things while recording these videos. First, you remember that the sound quality should be good, because everything is depend on your sound quality, because a screen will come before the students and they will watch whatever written on the screen or in the PowerPoint, and your sound will enhance those points. So this is simple, and still if you find anything about it, please comment below. I will answer to your comments. Now this is all about the screen recording or making video or off-face video by using PowerPoint presentation. So please tell me what you think about this video and what is your experience. And I also request to all of you to please make this video at your home. Try your first hand of making this video. Download this software called a PowerSoft free screen recorder and record your first video of this video. So dear participants, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel Literature Simply, and you can have experience of video making, educational video making, and you can make your videos by observing my videos. There are a lot of videos on my channel. So thank you very much for watching this complete tutorial. Please share this video among your friends or among your students, and let them know about this educational video making. Thanks once again.